Okie dokie, I've done as much as I can with these decals. This one is split here and here. Can you see that? Yeah, I put a sticker plaster over the top, but they're not sitting right at all. They line up with the door and they line up with the window, but they don't sit right. I've used decal soft to try and get them to sit, meet up, marry up, but they're not going to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them off and I'm just going to paint them white bands around the fuselage. These on the wings, these were difficult as well. Well, that one wasn't, but this was. I had to cut it in half. But one underneath and one over the top, and then cut the excess off. Why they didn't supply them as they should be, I do not know, but they've gone alright. Top and bottom, as you can see. And that was not so bad. But that okay guys, there we go. That is the short Sterling Mark IV complete. I've not done any weathering on it. It has decals and it's marked up as the Sterling Mark IV 295 Squadron, RAF Holmesley South, Hampshire, 6th of June 1944, RAF Rivenhall, 2nd of November 1944. So there we go, there's another angle, like it nice and glossy. Probably too glossy. I usually wash the panel lines, or apply wash to the panel lines, but I'm not going to do. I might do it a later date, but not today, present, because I like it as it is. It's taken quite a while. Like I said, the biggest problem was the Bombay doors and these decals. I did have a little problem fitting the wings. They're not as flush as I would like, to be honest. But the mistake I made was painting the wings first and then fixing them to the fuselage. That's me experimenting again when I shouldn't. I should have just assembled it all and then painted it all. Would have made my life easier, but it's looking pretty good. There we go. I think I'll be doing that next. Technic Level 5 Revell Spitfire Mark 9. It's got lights and sound. Excellent stuff. There we go. That's the short Sterling. She does look really nice. Very interesting build. The artillery. So it has got problems, like I said. Decals here. didn't match up. Bombay doors look ugly as sin. If I'd have known how bad they were, I could have probably done a bit more with them, but in the end I just give up. I just pulled them out. Let's see, what else was there? I don't think there was anything. Oh yeah, that little rail underneath. Yeah, that snapped a couple of times, but as the build went, it was perfectly alright. The cockpit and all the glass frames, they went into place absolutely no problem whatsoever, because I have had problems. I had a problem with that Mosquito, that Revell Mosquito. That was horrible, that was. The Nassau's as well were bad on that, but the 4-switch parts were good, especially for this gun turret here. Anyway, that is it for now. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for another build. Thanks for watching and tuning in. Stay safe. Bye for now.